Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Also, you're gonna know how I created this beautiful and bold smoky eye. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm going to use this gel by Good Vibes. It's in the flavor argan, I guess. Yes, and with the help of my fingers, I'm going to apply it all over my face very nicely, and gently I'm going to massage a little bit. After this, for primer, I'm going to use this primer by Purple, my base friend forever. This is one of my favorite primers. After this, I'm going to just blend it all over my face where all I have open pores. For foundation, I'm using this foundation by MAC, and this is a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to apply a little bit. I have applied only a drop of it and blended it very nicely with the help of that buffing brush. And also, this foundation will completely conceal all the imperfections I have on my face. Also, it will give my skin that seamless finish that my makeup wants today. Also, it has a non-sticky formula and it gives you that matte finish. So yeah, if you want, definitely try it. After this, I'm going to apply concealer. I'm going to use this concealer by Swiss Beauty, and this is very affordable concealer. And also, I'm not going to apply a big amount of it, so I'm just using where all I require for highlighting. And also, this blends like magic. Seriously, I'm not kidding, just try it once. It's so affordable and also easy to apply. After this, I'm going to use this loose powder by Curlon, and I'm just going to set my entire face using this loose powder, and I'm going to use that same brush for setting up my face. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette by Puff Feel, and using that brown color, I'm placing it to my crease line. But here I forgot applying the tape. After that, I have applied tape and continued my eye makeup. So I'm using this color onto my crease line. After this, I'm going to use a black color with a flat brush, and I'm going to apply it very roughly onto the outer V of my eyes, and I'll extend it a little bit to my center of eyelid. After this, I'm going to use a blending brush and blend it very nicely all over my crease line and onto my eyelid as well. So I'm mainly focusing onto the outer V of my eye because I want a defined eye, so that's why. So here I'm using that same black color again because I want more definition to my eye, so that's why I'm applying it with that same brush again, and will blend it using that same blending brush again. So after this, I'm just going to use a shimmery shade, and for that I'm going to use the same palette again, and I'll be choosing that silver glitter, and I'll be putting it to my inner eyelid, and extend a little bit to my outer V as well, because I want this look to be really blended and it should not seem like you have any lines in between your eye makeup. So for that, I'm going to use that same black color again on that blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over my crease line and outer V as well. And again, I'm going to use that same glitter, of course. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use this eyeliner by Elf, and I'm just drawing a wing eyeliner onto my eyes very nicely. So our eye makeup is almost completed, you can see. And after this, I'm going to use that same black color to my bottom lash line, and I'm going to just apply it in a simple line, but it should look like you have applied something like smoky eyes. So after this, both my eyes are completed. I'm curled my lashes as well, and I'm going to use this mascara by Purple, and I'm applying it to the upper lash line and also to my lower lash line. For highlighting my inner corner, I'm going to use a cool silvery shade to the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone as well. So this is completed, and I hope you guys are liking the eye makeup because it turned out so well. And after this I'm going to just bronze my face, and for that I'm going to use that same palette by Coffee. And I'm not going to do any harsh bronzing onto my face. I'm just going to do a little bit to highlight or enhance my face. And for nose, I'm going to use my fingers, and with the help of my fingers I'm going to just contour my nose as well. For blush, I'm going to use that same palette again, and I'm going to just apply these both blushes onto my cheeks and onto my nose a little bit. So for brows, I'm going to use my all-time favorite eyebrow product, and this product is by Lipliner. And I'm just going to brush my entire eyebrows, and after that I'm going to just fill in with that pencil part. And again I'm just going to blend it very nicely with that same brush. For highlighters, I'm going to use this highlighter by Miss Rose, and I'm just highlighting the higher points of my face. And after this I'm going to use this lip liner, and I still don't remember the shade name and also the product name, so I'll be mentioning it down in the description box. Check it out if you want to know the brand name of this product. And I'm just going to fill in with that same lip liner, and after that I'm going to use this lipstick by Huda Beauty, and I'll be mentioning this shade also in the description box, so do check it out. This is a very beautiful maroon color, and this is just giving a little bit enhancement to my makeup look and also to my eye look as well. So yeah, this was the final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.